Good morning, mate. Oh man, today is a lazy day. I need to get so much stuff done, but the last few days I've just wanted not to do a thing. I just wanna sleep, tired. I don't wanna do things. I don't wanna do anything. But today we gotta clean up the yard. I gotta put all my truck parts away and other things away and blah. So let's go do that. It's so cold that this is frozen water. That is cold. And then there's the cat complaining about the cold, because she's cold. I'm sad about spending money because I'm not spending it on the trucks. Like, look, still sitting there. Oh, she's already starting to get a little rust. I need to put this up. But all of these parts today, for what today's video is, all of these parts are having to go in the back of the dump truck and they tarp it. For any of you who need GMC parts. Kind of the main reason I'm making this video, because I need money. No, these GMC parts right here for a grain truck, and I got hoods, I got rads, I got all the stuff you can need. I even got this, which I've had a lot of people ask me to buy, but no one actually wants to buy it. I tell them my price, and they're all like,
"Oh, that's too expensive."
It's solid steel. As you guys can see, let's just start cleaning up. I'm gonna stop talking now. If any of you ever say these hoods are easy to lift, you're these hoods are heavy, and after lifting 3 of them, I'm tired. I gotta put the tarp on and then I'm going inside. Also, if any of you saw parts you want to buy, except for my C10 parts, message me, because all these parts, all these extra hoods and stuff are for sale. I don't need them. So guys, yeah, I know not a whole lot for today. Just me cleaning up the yard. Everything is now in the back of my 1972 GMC dump truck. Yes! If these parts are still there by next summer, I know some of the parts are garbage and they will be going to scrap next summer, but if a lot of the parts don't get sold, or if they sit here for another year, I'm going to be taking them to scrap, so that's why I'm kind of posting online any parts you guys to see. But on top of that, guys, as you guys all know, we have just launched a Patreon, so if any of you guys actually want to help build the trucks or help support the channels, there's a Patreon link down in the description, and that really is just built for you guys if you guys want to help create content, as I'm trying to bring more and more content to the channel, and some of it has been doing mind-bogglingly good, and it just drives me nuts of how good all of you guys are doing. Thank you guys so much. Like, that is on you guys, and I just thank you guys for helping out. Other than that, this video is just going to come to an end because there's not a whole lot to do today. So, love you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Follow your dreams. Peace.